Hello everyone, I am Sai Charan, a person behind Stories Infinity. In this video, I would like to show how you can input these type of professionally looking templates for Elementor which are completely free. And you don't need to invest even single rupee here to get these templates. So how you get these templates for free? So let's get into the video. So go to WordPress dashboard. Inside WordPress dashboard, go to plugins section, click on add new. We'll install two plugins. One is Elementor, another one is Envato Elements. So search for Elementor, click on install now and press activate. So once you activate this plugin, it appears as a custom field type on your WordPress dashboard. So here Elementor is appearing. Let's install one more plugin. Go to add new. So search for Envato Elements. This is a very popular plugin. As you can see, there are over 500,000 plus installations. So click on install now. And click on activate. So once you activate this plugin, it also appears on your custom field type on the dashboard. So now let's create a page. Go to add new, pages section, go to add new. So give a title as test Envato. So after title, just click publish button. Once you publish the post, click on edit with Elementor. It opens the Elementor canvas completely with only our website title. So you can see three icons appear. So first plus indicates that if you want to design your own custom templates or custom design sections for your website. Second one indicates Elementor library. Here you can see there are so many pre-made templates which comes with Elementor plugin. There are some templates which mark with Pro. It means that it requires Pro version of Elementor. The website templates which are not marked with Pro, they can be used with Elementor free version. But here comes the problem. Let's say if your website has home page, blog page, services page, contact page, all these different pages. So if you insert template, you can only insert it for one page. For other pages, even if you insert, you have to customize for that particular page. It is again a rework. Click on Envato, then go to free kits. You can see there are 2383 active templates available with Envato. So here go to categories and you can select template based on your niche. For this video, we are going with travel and accommodation niche. So click on travel and accommodation. So it redirects you to the travel and accommodation niche. So here you can see there are 127 free individual templates available. So click on preview to see how the website looks actually. So as you can see here, there are several pages available like home, about, contact, package list, and click on any of the page, it redirects you to the complete preview. So here you can see how cool the website looks. So go to WordPress dashboard, click on install. So click travel business, so it will install. Once it installs, you can click on view kit, so it redirects you to the install kits page. As you can see, there are all the templates here, and you can see there is one pop-up available. So as we are going with Elementor Pro, you can simply ignore this and you can click close button. As you can see, there are so many pages. All the pages we get with the installed kit. So as you can see, about page, home page, there are two about pages, and for some of the pages we require Elementor Pro. So we can simply click ignore requirements and we can insert any of the template from here out of this template package. So click on insert template. Once the template inserts, it looks like this. See how cool the website looks. Within 5 minutes we have created a website homepage. So this is how easy it is. And there is a myth going on that okay, you can install this template and that's all, that job is done. That is not like that. See, this is where the actual WordPress developer role comes into the play. So after downloading this template, you have to match this template according to the client's requirement. Let's say they don't want this color here, like they don't want icons to appear in this way. So this is where how you can customize the website according to the client requirements. So they don't like the font here, so how do you select the font? By clicking on styling advanced. How do you arrange the things? So how do you customize the template? This is where the role of the WordPress developer comes into play. And moreover, for static websites it is very easy, whereas for dynamic websites it needs a pro level customization techniques. So now we'll go to advantages of Envato. So after inserting template, each template which we insert divides into several sections. So this is one section, this is another section, and this is another section. So here comes the advantage with these sections. So click on Envato elements, go to install kits. As we are using Travel Business Template Kit inside this video, click on View Install Kit. As I said previously, there are some pages which requires Elementor Pro, but still you can insert that template. The only thing to observe here is, as our template divides into some particular sections, so the sections inside this template which used Elementor Pro will be disabled. Rest other sections can be inserted into your website. This is added advantage with Envato elements. One more added advantage is, let's say you are running an e-commerce store. So you have a pricing table like subscription plans, monthly, yearly, like that. So you have designed complete website, but the only thing is you want to insert pricing table somewhere inside your website. So for that you can go to free blocks. Instead of designing completely from your site, you can go to free blocks. You can use pricing table section from here, or you can use hero section, pop-up, pricing menu, contact page. There are several options here. So click on pricing table. You can select any of the pricing table from here. Just click insert template. Here you can see how easily I created my pricing table. The only thing I have to do is we have to edit this. In this way, there are so many advantages with Envato elements. So that is what I wanted to discuss with this video. So thank you very much. And we at Storage Infinity Era, we also design websites for clients, and we design real estate websites, e-commerce websites, multi-vendor websites like Amazon, Flipkart, and we also design blogs, portfolios, etc. So if you want to have your own website ready, you can contact us by storageinfinitykreators@gmail.com, and you can also follow us on Instagram. I'll provide the link in the description below. So thank you very much. Signing off here, your Sai Charan.